Welcome. In today's video, we're going to learn how to delete your profile picture on WhatsApp web using your PC. With the recent updates, this process has become easier than ever. Whether you want to update your profile or simply prefer not to have a picture at all, I'll walk you through the steps to make it happen. First things first. Let's open WhatsApp on your PC. Make sure you're logged in so you can access all your chats and settings seamlessly. Once you're in, take a look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You should see your current profile picture displayed there. Click on that image to start the process of removing it. Now, after clicking on your profile picture, you'll see a larger view of it along with a few options. It's a simple step, but it's essential to get to the next part. Here's where the magic happens. Click on the Remove Photo option. A confirmation message will appear, asking if you really want to delete your profile picture. All you need to do is confirm this action, and your profile picture will be removed instantly. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your profile picture on WhatsApp web. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.